Eagles, majestic birds of prey, are known for their powerful flight and keen eyesight. Their wings are designed to soar and dive with incredible agility, allowing them to catch prey mid-flight. Each feather is highly specialized, engineered for maximum efficiency and lift. The primary flight feathers, the longest and strongest, provide the main lifting power. They are stiff and splayed outwards. The secondary flight feathers, slightly smaller, help in controlling the direction of flight. They are more flexible and are positioned closer to the body. The inner primary feathers, also known as the alula, help eagles during takeoff and landing by reducing lift. The tail feathers, or rectrices, act as a rudder, helping eagles steer in flight. The unique structure of an eagle's wing allows them to fly at incredible speeds, up to 320 kilometers per hour, and maintain altitudes of up to 10,000 feet. Eagles also have an exceptional sense of smell, which helps them locate food from miles away. Their keen eyesight is 8 times better than that of a human, enabling them to spot prey from great distances. Eagles have an amazing ability to adapt to various environments, from the Arctic tundra to the tropical rainforests. In human culture, eagles symbolize strength, freedom, and courage. They are revered in many societies, often appearing in mythology and folklore. In modern times, the eagle is a symbol of the United States, emblazoned on the country's flag. Eagles are not only a marvel of nature but also a testament to the intricate and beautiful design of the natural world. Their wings, eyes, and adaptability are a reminder of the endless wonders that nature has to offer, inviting us to look up and marvel at the skies.